Welcome po sa ating closing ceremony ng solar training of grid setup. And to start with, ayan, may I call on NUP Jezreel M. Olarte for our invocation.
Bago po tayo magsimula, tayo po'y manalangin at tumawag sa Panginoon. Tayo po'y magsitayo. Ama namin, sa pangalan po ng aming Panginoong Jesucristo, taus-puso po namin kayong pinupuri at sinasamba ang iyong banal na pangalan. Marami pong salamat sa buhay na ibinigay po sa amin at maraming salamat din po dahil matagumpay po namin natapos ang aming pag-aaral sa Solar Off-Grid Setup. Naway basbasan po kami lahat mula sa pinakamataas hanggang sa pinakamababang empleyado ng RFSO3. Ito po ay pinapanalangin po namin sa pangalan ng iyong anak na si Kristo Jesus. Amen.
And for our welcome remarks, may I call on Police Major Claremy M. Sandulan.
For our guest of honor, Attorney Eric O. Ueda, Provincial Director, Testa Pampanga, sir. Mr. Raymond G. Sagum, our trainer. And Ms. Ethel Lugdumam, our ever-supportive Acting Chief of our RFSO 3, Police Lieutenant Colonel Sally Mangakop, sir. Other officers and NUP, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Indeed, I am privileged as I welcome you all today as we humbly gathered with the grace of our Almighty, the closing ceremony of the 10-day solar training off-grid setup seminar. This endeavor is really a great accomplishment for RFSO 3 personnel as we will be making transformations and innovations in our office because of the knowledge instilled to us by our trainer, Mr. Raymond G. Sagum, on solar panel making. Thank you, sir. And may this activity be the start of another outstanding commitment in achieving significant and collaborative accomplishments that will greatly contribute to the effective and efficient delivery of public service. Again, welcome and a blessed afternoon to us also.
Ito tinatawagan ko po ang aming gwapong-gwapong Chief, Police Lieutenant Colonel Sally L. Mangakop.
Malakas masyado yata. Sa ating director ng provincial director ng TISDA Pampanga, Attorney Eric Uyuda, kuya, maganda nga po. Sa ating professor no, nagtapos na lang, hindi ko nalaman yung pangalan niya. At saka sa isang civilian natin, sa mga tao natin, maganda nga po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat at natapos din yung solar training of grid setup natin. Actually, napakatagal kong pangarap talaga when I was in 7. Lalo-lalo na nung nasa 4B ako, pinangarap kong magkaroon ng solar training of grid setup. Dahil pinangarap ko na ang opisina ko is gagamit ng renewable use of energy. So, nagpa-costing pa talaga ako dun sa 4B. Ang problema, di ko alam kung saan ako kukuha ng instructor. Ang alam ko nga, gagawa tayo ng cell.
Yes po.
Hindi pala, ready-made na pala yung cell.
Opo, ready-made.
Tapos, isi-sit up na lang, no? At least kahit pa paano, alam natin kung paano mag-sit up. So, with this, siguro, makikita natin na may natutunan tayo sa solar training of grid sit up kung ma-execute natin na makapagtayo tayo ng solar panel natin dito sa labas. So, nakita ko na dyan, alam ko na kung saan natin lalagay. Bali pa sa succeeding days, ipapakosting na lang natin kung magkano, kung ilang seal panel din ang kailangan natin para ang gagamitin natin is solar energy na gagamit ng tao. Kasulitan. Pero siguro hindi, kaya mo sinabi, off-grid setup pala, saka dalawa palang klase na.
Yes po.
So, tingnan natin kung masusunod na araw. Although hindi wala akong matutunan, pero sabi ko nga, pupuntahin pa rin kita dito.
Thank you po.
So that's all. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat at lalo sa mga talagang nag-aral na makinig kay Sir.
Pagdating sa sa nalis, ipagpasalamat natin. Thank you and magandang hapon.
Napakagandang mensahe po. And tutungo na po tayo sa presentation, awarding of certificates of completion. May I call on Attorney Eric Oweda, Provincial Director TESDA Pampanga, and Sir Lieutenant Colonel Sally L. Mangakot to receive the award po.
Maraming salamat. Alright.
For our presentation of Certificate of Appreciation to the Guest of Honor, tawagin ko po ulit, Sir Mangakot po. May I call on Attorney Eric Oweda? Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Attorney Eric Oweda in grateful acknowledgement and sincere appreciation of his invaluable contribution 11-2023 at RFSO 3, Camp Captain Julian Oliva, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Given this 11th day of August 2023 at RFSO 3, Conference Room, Camp Captain Julian Oliva, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Same certificate is given to Ma'am Ethel Joy Pilot. And Sago.
Thank you very much.
Pampanga, tinatawagan ko po ulit si Attorney Eric Oweda para po magbigay ng kanyang mensahe.
Thank you. Good afternoon po sa ating lahat and congratulations to those who finished the training. Indeed, but before that, of course, to Sir Sally, thank you for inviting us to train. Actually, and to all officers of Finance Division of R3. Renewable energy is actually one of the papunta doon ng TESDA. So, may mga trainings tayo, and actually this is basic, one of the basic trainings of TESDA, that we want to propagate or rather disseminate to our people. Not only coming from the public, even sa government service. We are privileged that we have a partnership with the PNP, and we have also trainings from other uniformed personnel. So it's a big challenge for TESDA to really cater yung tagline namin na TESDA mo lahat. However, just like to inform each one na meron tayong bagong secretary, si Secretary Teng Manguna Datu, former governor sa Sultan Kudarat. And yung kanya ngayon, yung papunta na kami, after na naabot na namin ang TESDA, kasi tinalo namin kayo sa sa MOS, yung survey. Yung tinalo namin yung PNP sa most, ano tawag doon natin? Trusted and most popular agency, yung survey. For 3 consecutive quarters. Hindi, binabrag ko lang kasi. Yun yung kasi because of the effort of our former Secretary La Peña, na talagang we went to different places like Gida, and of course kasama natin yung PNP doon sa pupunta natin sa far-flung places as our partner. And our objective, one of our objective for TESDA is for uniformed personnel to become trainers. To become also trainers. Kasi like for example, if we have training doon sa malalayo, hindi kaya ng trainer namin kasi malayo nga. Then that comes a partnership with the uniform personnel of the government with TESDA. And yung pinupromote po namin. However, as to this date, wala pa kaming trainer na na-credit na full-fledged na trainer ng TESDA na galing sa uniform personnel sa government service. So yun ang challenge. On the part of sa amin, on how we will help uniform personnel to become trainers of TESDA, and of course, challenge sa mga sa atin sa government. So, to end, again, thank you very much and congratulations, and sana hindi lang ito yung first na training natin, may susunod pa. At kami ay natutuwa kasi actually sa TESDA, walang pera kayong nagbigay ng supplies materials para matuloy ang training natin. And of course, in some part, we can collaborate on that. So again, and thank you kay Sir Raymond and kay Eden for facility. Magandang araw po at umahay po tayong lahat.
May advance pa pala ko yan, hindi advance tayo.
Paano na ba?
Advance, di ba? Basic to.
Basic yan, oo. Oo, tama.
Hindi pagka nagkapagsitak na kami.
Sige.
Pakikita tayo.
Po. Ayan, para tutungo na po tayo para sa ating photo opportunity with TESDA Pampanga Provincial Director and our Acting Chief RFSO 3, Lieutenant Colonel Sally L. Mangako po. And sa mga lahat po ng participants po, mag-photo op na po tayo.